Hello everyone, welcome back to the ActivePresenter channel. In today's video, we're looking at one of the most important new feature of ActivePresenter 10.5, the brand new closed caption system. If you're a teacher or a video maker, you know that captions are a must-have. They make your videos accessible to everyone, keep your viewers interested, and make your content much easier to understand. That's why ActivePresenter 10.5 gives you powerful new tools to control and style your captions. If you haven't installed the latest version of ActivePresenter yet, you can find a link in the description box down below. And now, let's get started. Have you ever spent time styling captions on one slide only to realize you need to repeat the same changes across dozens or even hundreds of slides? With ActivePresenter 10.5, that's no longer a problem. Simply choose the style from the Format tab, and the font, colors, background, and other visual settings will automatically be applied to every caption throughout your project. And if you want more control, you can still customize details such as text color, opacity, and background settings in the Properties panel. This helps maintain a consistent look and feel across all your lessons and videos while saving a huge amount of editing time. Let's talk about making your captions more engaging with word highlighting. Now, as the narration plays, each word highlights in real time, making it incredibly easy for your learners to follow along. You can also turn on progressive display. This means words appear exactly as they are spoken, instead of showing the whole sentence all at once. Want to make those highlights words pop? You can add glow effects, change the colors, adjust the opacity, or even add animations. Another highly requested feature is flexible caption positioning. Usually, captions are locked at the very bottom of the screen, but in ActivePresenter 10.5, you can just drag and drop your captions anywhere on the canvas. What's really cool is that your caption styles stay consistent across the entire project, but you can change the position for each individual slide. It gives you total layout flexibility without losing that clean, consistent look. If you work with multiple languages, you're going to love the new editing and translation tools. Adding a new language is now incredibly simple. Just click Add Language and use Auto Translation to generate subtitles instantly from your original captions. Instead of starting from scratch, you can just quickly review and tweak the text. If the caption segment is too long, just hit Enter to split it. Need to clean up your timeline? You can easily join multiple caption notes together. Plus, ActivePresenter supports standard SRT and VTT files. You can import or export them for a single slide or the entire project, making it a breeze to collaborate with translators or external editors. In ActivePresenter 10.5, it's all about making your workflow faster, more flexible, and more professional. These simple updates will save you tons of time and give your audience a much better learning experience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more updates from ActivePresenter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.